If Safari on your Mac suddenly stopped working, websites not loading, pages stuck on a white screen, or the browser just freezing, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that solves most Safari issues in minutes, plus a second method if the problem doesn't go away. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari. Go to the top menu bar, click Safari, then choose Settings. When the Settings window opens, click the Advanced tab. Scroll all the way down and check the box that says Show Features for Web Developers. Now close the Settings window. At the top of your screen, you'll see a new option called Develop. Click it. From the drop-down menu, select Empty Caches. This clears temporary website data that often causes pages to load incorrectly. Next, completely quit Safari. Here's the important part. Hold down the Shift key while reopening Safari. This forces Safari to start fresh and helps fix sessions that were stuck. For most people, Safari should now be working normally, but if you're still having problems, an extension might be the cause. Go back to the top menu, click Safari, and open Settings again. This time, click on the Extensions tab. You'll see a list of installed extensions. Turn them all off temporarily by unchecking each one. Now try loading a website again. If Safari works, then one of your extensions was causing the issue. Turn them back on one at a time to find the one that breaks Safari, then remove it. Between clearing the cache and checking extensions, this fixes almost all Safari issues on a Mac. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mac troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.